moving means getting rid of all of our things, including my beloved Porsche 911. It's a 2006 997 model. It's a Carrera 4, and I've had it since I turned 40, and I turned 49 in a couple months, and it's been a great car. I've enjoyed owning it. It's been my dream car for the longest time, but today we're going to polish it up, clean it up, and take some pictures and get ready to put it on the internet to try to sell it, because all things must go. I do love Porsches, always loved them since I was 15 years old, but today is a day to start the sale of the Porsche as well. First step is to give the car a good rinse. I use a high pressure washer to just rinse off all the surface dirt. And usually because it's wax, it comes off pretty quickly. And then add some soap. Those are some low pressure suds. And of course, go over the car with a nice hot bucket of car wash soap. Give it a good scrub in those areas that collect dirt and bugs. And then give it a nice good high pressure rinse to rinse off all the soap. Again, give it a good dry with a microfiber towel to make sure there's no spots in the finish. And then some extra loving care in those spots, make sure there's no soap, and then give it a quick spray wax on all of the beautiful silver surfaces. Wow, it's kind of cool to watch the clouds move over the car. It's done a really good job cleaning it. So once I give it a quick wax once over, make sure you get that emblem. I love the Porsche emblem. Then, of course, it's time to hit the windows with some window cleaner. I really like this aerosol can foamy window cleaner. It seems to do a really good job. And of course, it's time to tuck the car back in the garage. Looks nice and shiny for the next person to buy it. So here we are, perfectly clean and garaged Porsche, ready to go on the market. Let's hope it finds the next great owner.